While trying to install Openclaw with Windows Powershell, if it gives you this kind of error, we're gonna fix this. So the problem here is that you have to install Git. So close Windows Powershell firstly, go to search box, type in here Powershell, right click on the Windows Powershell option and run as administrator. Once you have the Windows Powershell running in the administrator mode, copy the command from the description and paste it here. This one, winget install git.git and enter. Just agree all the terms by tapping Y and enter. It will run the setup file for Git and we're gonna have to wait. It shows here successfully installed. So now we're gonna type in the command to install the Openclaw. Input the command. This command is also given in description. Enter and just wait. Even after doing this, if it returns you this error, we're gonna have to close the PowerShell and relaunch it in administrator mode. So go to search box and type in here PowerShell and run as administrator. Once again, input the command for Openclaw installation and enter. So this Openclaw has been successfully installed. So that's how we can fix the error for installation of Openclaw on Windows PowerShell. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.